Hello, boys and girls. Yes, it's the biggest announcement ever in the history, I would say, by CM Institute. Online exams Institute ने announce कर दिया है for December 20 term for inter as well as final. तो इंस्टीट्यूट से आपने देखा होगा, मैंने पिछले वीक भी जो है एक वीडियो बना करके क्लैरिफिकेशन मांगा था कि भाई क्लैरिफाई कर दो कि ऑफलाइन होगा कि ऑनलाइन. इंस्टीट्यूट ने क्लैरिफाई कर दिया है. Big announcement coming from CM Institute. The exams are going to be held online mode. Now don't worry, boys and girls, online mode, either you can appear from your home, or if you do not have your proper online resources to appear online exams from home, you can opt for center based exams also, which will again be online only. So either it means examination for December 20 term will be online, whether you want to appear from your home or whether you want to appear from center based online exams, that's totally left up to you. Let us read the notification from CM Institute. Institute has decided to conduct inter and final exams. सर फाउंडेशन का वो तो लास्ट टर्म भी ऑनलाइन था, अभी भी ऑनलाइन ही है. फाउंडेशन का तो ऑनलाइन है ही. इंटर फाइनल के लिए भी इंस्टीट्यूट बोल दिया भाई ऑनलाइन एग्जाम्स होगा. दिस इज अ मर्ज एग्जाम्स, इफ यू रिमेंबर, जो जून 20 वाला डेफर हुआ था. So it's a merge exam of June 20 and December 20, both terms. To ensure that the interest of all the stakeholders, especially candidates, students, due to pandemic, institute would give two options. क्या क्या वो दो ऑप्शन है? सेंटर बेस्ड ऑनलाइन मोड, जहां पर आप नियरेस्ट सेंटर को चूज करेंगे, पहले जैसे ऑफलाइन जाकर के देते थे, अब आप ऑनलाइन देंगे, या फिर होम बेस्ड ऑनलाइन मोड. बोथ द ऑप्शंस विल बी अवेलेबल. All candidate students will have to appear in the merged inter and final exams through online mode as per the notified table which is already there. Matlab, the dates of examination, the timing of examination will remain same, just the mode is online. Relevant notification, instruction, login option, URL link will be given in due time. Candidate who is completing all the conditions for appearing the exams only will be allowed for appearing the exams. That's okay. You are required to keep regularly in touch with the website and all the notification and announcement relating to the examination. And if you have any query or clarification, this is the mail ID where you can address your queries. Okay. So it's a very big announcement. It will take some time for me also to digest and you also to digest. But let me tell you, one thing is for sure, that institute is giving more priority to health. CMA Institute is giving more priority to health. That's a welcome sign. Now, how to practice those online exams? Still, listen, the exams are in December. Still, we are having 2 months. I will go out of my way to make sure that you are comfortable in the online exams. Whatever the format of the exams will be, it will be clarified very soon. I'll make sure that I make you practice in that exact same mode and that exact same paper pattern which the institute is going to follow. This is my promise to you. I'm going to make all out effort for you to make sure that you are comfortable in the December 20 exams. So 2 months are there with us. That's why we were asking for clarification कि भाई अचानक से मत बताना, अभी भी लेट ही है, but still we are having 2 months and I'll make sure that we will go, all of us will go out of our way and make sure that these 2 months we practice in exactly same examination pattern that the institute is going to adopt. I promise you that. So let us wait for CMA Institute's paper pattern and how the paper pattern will be in the online exams, especially the theoretical papers. Okay, whether the 100 marks paper will be MCQ or whether there will be some subjective portion, we need to know that. So please institute, please CM Institute, either tomorrow or day after tomorrow, please clarify what will be the paper pattern. You have clarified the exam pattern, but more important is the paper pattern, because 2 months is already lesser time for the students to adopt to the new change. But we are accepting it as a challenge and we will do it. But please tell us the paper pattern so that in these 2 months we can practice rigorously so that we are fit for the exams. Okay, so ये होता है भाई, इसको अब हम लोग बोलेंगे प्रोएक्टिव. अब स्टूडेंट्स लोग बोलेंगे ऐसे कैसे वैसा कैसे, तो यू आर बीइंग गिवन द फैसिलिटी फ्रॉम होम बेस्ड आल्सो एंड सेंटर बेस्ड आल्सो. बोथ द फैसिलिटीज आर बीइंग गिवन. दोनों फैसिलिटी है. स्टूडेंट कैन कंप्लेन, इतना शॉर्ट टाइम पर बताया, आई एग्री विद दैट, बट ठीक है, लेट अस टेक इट एज अ चैलेंज, कम से कम हेल्थ जो है वो प्रायोरिटी रखा जा रहा है, वी शुड आल्सो रिस्पेक्ट दिस। ओके, so stay tuned, I'll be coming with more videos on this issue, but let institute clarify uh, further examination, apart from examination pattern, the paper pattern and all. Do share the video with all the students of CMA so that they are also aware of this, and चिंता मत करो, I'll be hand holding you to this exams, ये मेरा promise है, ये मेरा वादा है। सारा सब्जेक्ट्स का एग्जाम्स जो है आपका पेपर पैटर्न जैसा रहेगा वैसे ही हम लोग भी कंडक्ट करेंगे। ओके, टिल देन टेक केयर, डू शेयर द वीडियो एंड लाइक इट, बाय, एंड डोंट पैनिक, डू नॉट पैनिक, आई एम देयर फॉर यू, बाय।